can be very detailed with your description for a specific event inside of your calendar as well. And along with that, you get the formatting options for those particular events as well. So you can go ahead right here and then double click. And once you do that, you can see that you can view the description around over here. But if I were to click on edit, then you can see that the editing window pops up. So over here, let's say, for example, I'm going to say this is a paragraph right here, just like this. I can go ahead and paste this out around over here. Let me just go ahead and copy paste this out right here. And you can see that I can be very descriptive as I want. I can go ahead and let's say, for example, press enter right here a couple of times right here. And I can select this and turn it into a bullet point as well. Apart from that, you can show the, you can set it out as heading right here, just like this text is heading. And you can go ahead and change this out as body text right here, just like this as well. Let me just press enter. And for this one, let's just change it out into heading 1. You can go ahead right here and change it out into heading 2 as well. And then get the formatting as you like. You can go ahead and bold up certain sections right here, just like this. So you can go around and bold it. You can italicize it. You can underline it right here. Or you can also go ahead and change it out into numbered points right here, just like this. You can also go ahead and then indent it out right here onto the right or the left right here. And you can also go ahead right here. And then let's say, for example, let me just go around and copy paste this around right here. And you can see that you can go ahead and center align it right here. So let's just select it and center align it right here. You can right align it, or you can justify this out as well. So you can see that this is what you have, and you can also attach out a link right here to the description as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say www.google.com right here. So if I were to go around and do that, then what happens is that a hyperlink has been made. Apart from that, you can also go around and add in smiley faces as you want right here as text, as you can see right here, just like this. And you can go ahead and save this. And if I were to double click it, you can see that I get the description along with this event, just like this as well. And that is how you can add in description and then work around with the calendar event description formatting options inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.